Yes.
Share screen. Okay. Now see here, this guy, this is the actual folder structure we built it so far, right? Now if you go here, right click, go to the open file in Explorer, the structure is not at all perfect. You see, OBJ, bin and all coming outside. Am I right or wrong? So this is not the right structure. So this should go inside the admin. Here you need to have all the folders. But here in the catalog, service, all these things are outside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this code properly in a different project folder. Okay. And then I'm going to push the code to the service. Git. Okay. And not Git, Azure Repo. And then I'm going to create a database in Azure SQL Server. Okay. That SQL Server, we are going to connect to this particular project. Okay. For that, what I did is I created a blank solution. You see, I think Anjali, for you also, it will be great understanding, I believe. Okay. You see, there is a EStore admin. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete everything here. Okay. So this is the project folder I'm going to create. This is an empty solution. In this empty solution under EStore admin, I'm going to create a project. The very first project I'm going to create is EStore admin. Add new project, ASP MVC core. And what is the project name we created here? EStore admin setup. So you go here, rename, and come down, paste. You say, what is the folder name we have? EStore admin, right? So under this folder, we need to create a project. EStore admin. Okay. And then we are going to create next and disable the configuration, create. So project is created, say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Same way, I'm going to create other projects. What is the other project? I have to create catalog service project. So copy this project, right click, add new item, class library. Next, I go here, I take a EStore admin. Here I want to create a catalog service project. Next, and then create. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the class. Okay. So service project I created. Now what I want to do next, repo project, rename, copy the repository, go here, right click, add new project, class library, next, paste. This is the folder I want to place the project. Next, create. So I got the class library project. Now, what is the next project I want to build? I want to create a model project.
Narendra, what you are doing now?
Restructuring the code. Code alignment
Again,
is not proper.
Okay. Again, same is happening, right? In the same admin, under admin folder, all the projects are coming. I mean,
Now you see, actually it should come under a folder. It is outside the folder. Same way, in the service, you see catalog, only 2 are there, remaining all are outside. So we need to bring everything in a proper structure. And then we have to upload into Repos. That will help me to deploy things properly. So that is the structuring I'm doing. I made a mistake in front of you. I'm clearing the mistakes. Okay. Clear? Everybody?
yes.
Yes, Narendra.
Okay. So I'm going to clear everybody in front of. So what I'm going to do here, See, folder structures first creating, and then I'm moving the code. Okay. So create. Now you got all the folder structures under the EStore admin. Now right click. You see, open in File Explorer. Go here. You got only one folder. Outside solution, nothing is there. Say yes or no. It's a proper structure. Everybody. Srini, Abdul.
Yes.
Okay, so same way, I'm going to create another solution folder here, a service. Okay, in this service, I'm going to create another solution, new solution folder saying that catalog. This is the catalog service. Under this catalog folder, I need to build everything. So what is the first thing I have to build? Catalog.api user, right? Just say rename. Copy. Right click, add new project, MVC core empty, paste, you go. So create a new folder as services. Under this folder, you create a one more folder, catalog. Catalog. Okay. And select the folder. Now you see proper structure has happened. Yes or no? Everybody, please confirm. Project is created in a proper folder structure.
Okay.
Now what I'm going to do next, remove HTTPS, create. Now see this folder properly created. You see under catalog, under service, under project, you got the project explanation. Yes or no? I want answer from everyone.
Yes.
Say yes or no. Now what I'm going to do, I take this project. Structure is properly created. Now what is the next thing? Core. Now what to do? Infrastructure. Now I created all the projects. Right click, rebuild solution. Build all succeeded. Now what I want to do, first step is, I go here. Do we need all the three references in this project? Yes or no? Do we need all the three references? Right click and project reference. Take catalog service, everything. Okay. Now you see the dependencies are added. All the three dependencies are added. Now what I want to do here, I'm going to have certain nugget packages. These are all the packages we need to install. Let's say first take one by one. We'll do the package installation. So what is the thing you need? You need a design SQL server. Go here, right click, nugget package, browse, entity framework.
Narendra, if you copy paste the code, then these dependent NuGet packages will be installed automatically.
No, the problem is what will happen. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, I forgot. Okay. Thanks for that. So what you need to do, simply these packages you need to add in the project means double click. You see item package references. Say yes or no, guys. You got the item group. Copy this entire item group as a project reference. Copy here. Go. Double click. I think we take another item. So copy this. Paste here. Now you go to solution. You see save all. You got a packages? Yes or no? You got the packages or not? So this is how you have to create a package. After that, right click, go. Now what you need to do, go to catalog service. Let's see what catalog service is having. Solution, dependency, you have packages. Azure Blob package is there. So double click. You see, I have this one, copy. Okay, let me do both. Let me copy both, okay? Copy, go here, add these two. Now save all. Now what will happen? This guy will have a dependencies of projects catalog model. Why catalog model is not coming? Unable to find the project. Okay, I remove this and add a new one. Okay. Now come down, close this guy, close this guy. You got both package. Now repository. Close this guy, close this guy. Go to solution, complete the repository. In the complete repository, you are going to add these two. Better to have model, catalog model directly I can add. Okay. Now, you got both. Now, finally, you go here. You see what catalog model will have. Nothing, some packages are there, these two packages. So double click, you add these two packages. Done. Save all. Now what I will do, clean solution. And then go here, right click, rebuild solution. Everything is perfect. Now what I want to do here, let's create these two folders. Open File Explorer. Right click, view, small icons. Sort by group by list. Copy these two. See, you got the data? Okay, succeeded. Now this is over. Now what I want to do, I want to create a repository. Go back. I want migration. See, I'm leaving migration because I'm going to create a migration very first time. So I'm going to take only these classes. Okay. Right click. Open File Explorer. So except migration, I'm taking this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, these guys. Okay. Copy. I'm done. Rebuild. So succeeded. No issues. Now go back. I want to create a service. So what you need to do? This is done. This is done. Now in the service, I need to take all these things. So right click, open file. I take this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. Copy this, close, right click, file explorer, paste. Now I'm done with everything. Okay, right click, rebuild. So all the three projects, migration does not exist. You are missing an assembly reference. What happened? Why this migration is coming? I don't want a migration. Rebuild. Yes, everything is succeeded. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this EStore admin setup. This is the actual challenge. Right click. No, let first close all the folders. Close, 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 close. Right click. Open File Explorer. Except bin and object properties, everything we need to copy. Okay, take this one, this one, this one, this one, root folder, views folder, controller folder. I'm going to copy only these values. Okay. Now go here, right click, open File Explorer. No, I'm not speaking. Just a second. Let me open this again. I'm creating first project. Okay, fine, it is loaded. Okay. Now I'm creating another project. So this is the project, okay? Go to solution. Now, in this project, I want to add. So before adding that, what I'm going to do, right click, open File Explorer. And then copy this, right click, open File Explorer, paste, replace all destinations. Now come back, you see all the files are added, ma? Yes or no? I want answer from everyone. Did you got all the files? Now right click, clean a solution for the EStore admin, and then go to property solution, right click, rebuild. See, everything is succeeded. Now what I want to do, let's go to the database. What is the database we have? Yeah, local DB. Let's run the project and see all the functionalities are working. And then we are going to implement catalog. Fine, I got the login. Now here I'm going to use admin test at 123 submit. You see, it will see. I say no thanks. Now you got the data, ma? Yes or no, everyone? You see types, you see brands, everything is there. You see products, everything is there. It is working fine. Now, do I need to create an API? Yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes.
Ajit, Viren,
Yes.
Anjali, everybody. So now I'm going to set up this guy, service guy. Okay. Now first what I want to do, let's go to the core. Remove the core. Now go to the same project in core. So nothing is there. Okay, both are is super. Close it. Close all tabs. Now what I want to do, first I want to go for infrastructure. In the infrastructure, double click. Now what I want to do, I copy this part. Okay, go here, go to solution, double click, paste it. Now save all. What will happen? All the packages will be automatically loaded in the infrastructure. See, packages are loaded. Yes or no? Please confirm. And then go to solution. Here you see what are all the packages are you loaded, what are the projects core and model we have to reference. Right click, add project reference, catalog model, catalog.core. Why these two are coming? This is enough, core alone. You want only core package project because core is having the actual models. So you go here, you build it. Now what I want to do in the application, I want to add these two. Go to solution. I paste mediator or Azure Blob Service. I added. Now in the properties of solution, I can add infrastructure. I can add core. Just click. So the catalog application will have two projects as a reference. Now you go for API user. In the API user, I need mediator or entity framework, circle, swashbuckle, everything is required. Copy, paste. Now see in the project under a dependency, nothing is there. Okay, save. I got all the everything done. Now coming back, what is the dependency they are using? Core infrastructure application, all the three. Right click, add project reference, infrastructure, core, all these things will be added. Now, the moment I rebuild, you see all the four projects are getting builded. Everything is done. Now, close all tabs. Now go to solution. First, what I need to do is I go to core. I need to add the respective folders. Right click, close all tabs, go to solution. Okay, let me go take these two files, models and services and models. Copy. So now what I want to do, I'm going to rebuild this alone. Build succeeded. Now what I want to do, the next part is I want to go for infrastructure. Because infrastructure is for the repository, right? So you have to take all these three class files. So you take this brand repository, product repository, type repository, copy this file, go back to your solution, right click, open in File Explorer, paste it. The moment you add a repository, right click, build. Why infrastructure is not built properly? Clean. Build. So both are succeeded. Now what I want to do, the final stuff is application. This is the major part. Okay, for our project, this is the major project in API. So close this guy, close this guy, close this guy. Okay, now come here. You take application, right click, open file folder. So you don't want this guy. Copy all. Right click, open file folder, paste. Now clean. 3 projects are got cleaned. Go here, right click, build. Super. Do we really need this? Quick action. Install package. Clean. Build. Okay. You are missing a catalog model dot service contract. Why do we need a catalog model? This is not at all required. Try to build a solution. You will get one more error. See, somewhere you are using this. See, this is not required. Now go try to build. Everything is succeeded. So what I want to do, I clean the solution. I try to build the solution so that all the 3 solutions are properly built. Build. Now 3 are succeeded. Now what I want to do, right click, close other tabs, close this tabs. So final stuff. Finally, this guy. I copied this guy. We added this, right? So no need. Go here, right click, open file folder. You select everything. You don't want these two. Copy. Now, right click, build. go down, catalog API user, IAS Express, run. You got the path? Get API, try out. See, you got the data? Everything is perfect? Say yes or no? Guys, please confirm me. Everything is perfect?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Now, the next step. I'm going to close this project. I don't want this project, so I'm going to close this. So, close solution, close this IDE. Now, this is the only IDE I'm going to use. So to do that, first what I want to do, I need to add this project in Azure Repo. So go here. Okay. Here I'm going to say Azure Repository. Dev.azure. So you have to use this guy. This is the place where you are going to create a repo. This is the first step you have to do. Now you see I have a repos. Say yes or no. Now go here in the learning trends. You create a new project as a repo. So what I will do, add new project. You say.
No, this is not. I have not understood what you are doing now.
Now
Create new.
I am pushing this code to the Azure repository. This code I'm going to push it to this Azure repository. For
No,
building.
earlier you used Git, right?
No, Git for local. For when you push Azure repository, when you configure CI/CD pipeline, you should push it in the Azure repo. Okay.
Now you are configuring what CI/CD or.
Now I'm going to do a CI/CD pipeline. Tomorrow I will do the CI/CD pipeline. Today I'm going to push the code, build the code, and then I'm going to create a Azure database. I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
New project. Here I'm going to say EStore Project _ 1002. Okay. 10 p.m. batch students. Okay. Go down. You say private only will create a try hub and all those things. Okay. Just create. Did we created a project? Say yes or no. This is the project we are going to create it. Now what I want to do, I want to configure this repo. This repo is EStore repo. Okay, for that first you go here, you take this copy. Okay, you take this copy value and go to the solution under a Git local clone repository, paste it. And then you have to define your solution. Where is your solution? Where is the solution path? Which part we are creating?
That one only. Git source.
This one. Okay, copy this one. Okay, copy this path. You say this is your local. Local path is not valid. Please specify empty local on empty folder on your local machine.
Because you are cloning now, so that's why you need to create a first empty folder, and there you need to paste this code again to push.
Oh my God, it's a double work here. Oh, okay, let's do here. Okay, we create here batch _1002 and then click on Azure DevOps. It will connect the Azure server. See, it will load the list of files in the Azure. You see devazure.com. You select this one. Okay, this is the path you have to select. This is the path you are going to see. This is my practice. This is my older project. This is the one we are created as of now. Just click clone. What will happen? It will try to clone the repo. Now go to solution. You see the repo has been cloned or not? Everybody, please confirm.
Yes. Yes.
Now close solution. Close it. Keep this ready. Copy this. Copy this folder. Go to D. Batch to paste. This is the actual repo you are going to GitHub. Now come down, right click, open. You see the project is loaded. Say yes or no, project is loaded or not.
Yes.
Build the solution. Anjali, you understand? Ashok, Dheeraj, Akhil, everybody. Prasanna, Vivek, you all understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes.
confirm. Anjali? Anjali, am I audible?
Yeah.
Anjali is
You understand,
speaking.
right?
Yes. Trying to understand it.
Okay, once you've done that, what you need to do, everything is ready. Now go to git change. What ra? Okay. It should be GitHub, right?
No, git changes only. You need to
Clone repo.
no,
You're
no.
already having a repo, right?
Yes. No, don't need to clone. You need to log in. Not here. Go to here. Connect.
No, before connect, you have to go to source the logo.
Already is there, no? Or not? Right. No, it's showing as a clone.
It's already cloned. Why it is coming?
Go to the git changes. That UI, I think you need to manage branches. Go. There is option manage branches is there, right? In the drop down. Yeah. Right, yeah.
I already created a repo for this, right? What the hell is happening?
Now, what is that fourth folder? Batch one.
Okay, let's do one thing.
No, you folder is for go back and check fourth folder.
This guy.
This one you clone, right? Let's see this.
This was not cloned.
Now, create Git repository. Check that one.
The folder naming is very confusing.
No, here, yeah. Here you need to.
This is Git account. I'm not asking a Git account. I want this guy to be cloned. Okay, do one thing. Let me do one thing. I close it. Let it be here. Okay, I'm going to say.
No, even if you are doing the Azure DevOps backend, it's a GitHub only.
I know, but 1002. Let me clone this folder first. Okay, copy this. Git clone, paste, and then go to D drive. Take this guy, select folder, Azure DevOps, select this also, and go here. See, the repo is created here. That is the problem. This repo should not create here, should create in the here. The folder what I created, right? This repo. Here it has to create. Now clone, what will happen? It will create a repo file. Done. Now go to the folder. You see .vs code earlier it was not there. Now it is coming, right? So earlier no VS code. So now you got all the VS codes. All the copilots, everything will be there. Now here you need to copy the project. Where is that project? Under a batch, you copy this project. Go back, you paste here. This is the actual repo. Okay, now go to solution, close solution. Now see, it is an empty. Close it, go inner, open. Now go to solution, right click, build a solution. Build succeeded. Now what I want to do, go to git change. See, repo is coming or not? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Now right click, ignore local items. And here also ignore local items, so that the proper structure will be available. Okay, now what I want to do, just commit the stage. Here you say base branch.
You state only ignore file.
Yeah, I'm going to ignore all the files. VS files are, I'm ignoring the VS files. See here. Proper filing and there.
Those are need to be staged, no? I mean,
No need.
ignore file will not, you will not able to see into the changes. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So commit. So created a local. Now what I want to do, just push. See, originally successfully push it to the master origin. Now go here. Let's say the file. Wait, what
So
happened?
your all files are there only. You want to stage this git ignore file. You need to stage everything. No?
Pushed, na?
Not you are not staged, and how you push it.
Okay, this is initiating.
No. Collapse everything. Right click on that folder. Yeah, and stage it. Mark it as stage. Right click and stage. No. On that folder. Yeah. Right. Stage it. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now you need to commit. Without stage, you can't commit.
Mm-hmm. Okay, after staging, what to do?
Now you can commit it and push it. That's
Main base code. Commit the staged.
yes. Then push.
Okay, then push. Okay. All the objects will be written. So source codes are properly handled, ma. See, structure is properly handled. Everything has been pushed to the SQL. Azure is writing.
Now it is in Git.
Hmm?
Now this code is in Git repository.
No, I will push it. I mean,
It's pushed.
yeah. Go back. Go back. And
No pull request.
no. Go to the files and commits.
Yeah.
Now it's
You see, you store admin services properly pushed. Earlier, zigzag, right? Now everything is properly pushed so that you can easily get the data. Understood?
And then this code is in Git now.
This is in Azure Repo.
Okay.
Base.
From here, how we can download this code?
same again. I think you go to the repo. Repo, you click it.
No, we need to have a login of this Azure, right?
No, yeah,
No, I can provide access.
that is private access. Yeah.
It's a private access. So I have to give you the proper access. Okay.
Okay. Narendra, can you show that how we can download this code from there, from Azure repository?
Download a zip. Okay.
Okay. Now, are you giving this link, above link, browser link?
Yeah, definitely I will give. I'll make it as public only for you people. I need your email IDs. I will give access to this. I'll create an access for this particular repo for you so that you can go ahead and download the file and create your own repo. You have to do it. Okay.
Yeah, we can download it, or otherwise you can click the button, that clone one.
This one, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you will get that again. Git type.
You copy this. You go and clone in your code, in your VS Code. Okay.
VS Code or
Okay.
Visual Studio, both are
Visual
fine.
Studio. Visual Studio. Okay. Now Azure portal. I have a lot of things I don't want to show you. I'll create only for you guys. Just listen. Just first, what you need to do, create a resource. In this resource, you say Azure SQL. You see Azure SQL here. Create Azure SQL. Shall we do tomorrow? If you all okay?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it's 11 now.
It's almost 11:05. It will take some time. Hmm?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Let's see how it create. It is very slow. Okay, we'll do tomorrow. I will show you what I created so that you will understand at least. See, did I created a database here? You see, you see the EStore DB. Says or no? SQL Server instances
Yes.
is there. Now, when I go here, this SQL Server instance, I go to SQL Server admin user. Okay. Now you use this, and what is your networking share? When you click show networking settings, here you say, I'm going to create a firewall for to connect the server. Okay. How I'm going to connect the SQL server is SSMS from my SQL Server Management Studio. I can able to connect this. Connect database. You see, are you able to see that eStore SQL Server database.net? Now here, Narendra at 123. Now this guy is asking some subscription of servers. Pay you go. Okay. Morning I connected, man. See. You see the DB? Morning I created. You see the migrations and everything?
Yes,
All
yes.
that. Huh?
This is Azure SQL,
Azure
right?
database.
So this is the same I was asking you.
This is the same I'm going to build tomorrow.
Yeah,
Okay.
please. Yeah.
This is the database I'm going to create. The database is already created here. You see, I created a service server, network, home. Now this is comes under a particular IDaaS practice, blob storage. Now what I'm going to do tomorrow, I'm going to create a first Azure SQL Server database. Okay. And then I'm going to create my own stuff. And that database, I'm going to connect with your project. The project what we are having here, right? This project will have a solution of database. Okay. And then this guy, appsetting.json guy, we are going to change this database endpoint, and this guy we are going to implement. And blob storage also under the same resource I'm going to create. Once I create this one and this one, I'm going to execute my front end. Once the front end has been executed, I'm going to push the code back to the repo, and then I'm going to configure a virtual machine. Through virtual machine, I'm going to do CI/CD pipeline, automated CI/CD pipeline. Whenever you make any change in this code, when you push to the GitHub, what will happen? Immediately the build will happen. That build will be posted into the VM. That is the idea. Clear? It will require minimum of 2 to 3 days. I'll finish this entire CI/CD pipeline. Understand?
Yeah. Parallelly, instead of storing this connection string into the app setting, can we use the Azure keyword intra-ID?
Yeah, definitely. When you automate it, that time we are going to use the Azure keyword.
Okay.
First, let's do the manual, and then we will automate it.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
And the existing database that is you have migrated, right?
Come again?
In the Azure, you have migrated the database, local database.
No. Through application, we are migrating.
Okay.
Through the front-end application, I'm migrating. See, whenever I run this project, what will happen? This internally calls my this guy. It will create all the DB context. Okay.
Okay.
So this,
via application.
Yeah, via application, DBs will be created.
Okay. So tomorrow we will perform this.
Come again?
Tomorrow we will perform this.
Yes.
After creating the Azure database.
Only one guy is having a problem. That is this guy. Application context. I have to do manual.
Okay.
This guy I have to do. This guy I have to do manual. This application repository. Okay. Rest and all, the table of product, type, brand, everything will be, when you run the project, it automatically get created and it will automatically load the data into the database. Okay. So tomorrow I will show you.
Okay.
Clear? Thank you. Have a great good night. So I'm going to upload this video so that everybody can able to access. Okay. Everybody upload into the YouTube so that people can see this, what we achieved. Okay. For the next 2-3 days, I'm going to upload in YouTube with all your permissions. Thank you all. Have a great day.